So we are asked to find x. In the diagram below, O is the center of the cycle. So we're asked to find x. So this is cycle geometry. So like I said in my last video, in solving questions involving cycle geometry, you must be detailed with your results in every step. You must know why you are having such answers, and you have to state them. Give reasons why your answer for that particular step is that way. Is that okay? So now let's analyze this. Now we can see that we have a tangent DE meeting the circle at A. Remember, I said a tangent is a line that touches the cycle at a point. It doesn't intersect the cycle, it touches the cycle. Now, we also have line OA and line OB to be equal with this demarcation or this sign. It means that these two lines are equal. So what does it mean? It means that triangle OAB or triangle OBA is an isosceles triangle. Is that okay? It's an isosceles triangle. So now looking at this cycle, we can now start solving step by step. Now what do we do? The first thing we're going to do is to find the angles here. Let's call them A and A. Because since it is an isosceles triangle, that is OBA, the angles at the base will be equal. Is that okay? So therefore, 40 degree plus A is equals to 180. Now what's my reason? I am summing the angles in a triangle. So I write sum of angles in a triangle. That's how it's going to be. So I have 180 degree here. So 40 plus A is what? 2A is equals to 180 degree. So my 2A is equals to 180 degree minus 40 degree. So my 2A is equals to what? 140 degree. So if you divide through by 2, you have what? A is equals to 70 degree. So the angles here are actually 70 degree. Now, the next thing we're going to notice is that you can see this radius from here to this point is coming from the center of the circle, and it is touching in tangent. There's a theorem for it. It says that if we have a tangent to a circle and a line from the center touches the tangent, it does so by dividing the tangent into two portions, or it does so by meeting the tangent at an angle of 90 degrees or right angles. So what does it mean? Any point where the tangent touches the circle, the radius from the center drawn to it will intersect the tangent at 90 degrees. That's what it means. So what does it mean? It means that our angle OAD, the entire angle here, is 90 degrees. So we write our what? Angle OAD is equals to what? 90 degrees. Now what's our reason? Our reason, line from center meeting the tangent. So this is our reason. So I've got it here to be 90 degree. Now, but we got here to be 70, the one here. So what will be the angle here? If all here is 90, or I've got it here 70, what will be the angle here? So our angle BAD, or BAD, is equals to what? 90 minus 70 degree, which is equals to what? 20 degree. So this angle here is 20 degree. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is this line AB is a chord. Now what's a chord? A chord, like I said in my previous video, a chord is a line that connects 2 points in a cycle. So this is what? B, and this is A. Now, it also demarcates the cycle into 2 segments, namely, this is the minor segment, you can see it's small in area, and this is the major segment. Now, there's a theorem that says if a chord meets a tangent, and from the point of, or if a line meets a tangent, and from the point of contact a chord is drawn, then the angle in which the chord makes with the tangent of the cycle is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. You can see. So a chord making an angle with a cycle in one of the segments, which is the minor segment, is equal or is alternate to the angle made in the major segment. What does it mean? Look at this chord AB. It makes an angle with a tangent in the minor segment. If you shade here, is the minor segment. Now this is the major segment. The same chord sustains an angle. So here is going to be what? 20 degree. So since our BAD is 20, our BCA, our angle BCA is equals to what? 20 degrees. Reason, alternate segment. Good. The goal is to find x. So what do we do? How do we find this x now? Now we have to do a construction. What do? We join line OC. I use a dotted line to join line OC from the center of the circle to the circumference. That means line OC is a radius. So we have 3 radii in this diagram: OC, OB, and OA. Now, if line OC is a radius, it means that this triangle BOC, this triangle is also an isosceles triangle. Is that okay? So triangle BOC is what? An isosceles triangle. That's what it means. So therefore, it means that the base angles will be equal. So if angle OBC is 10, therefore angle what? OCB will be equals to what? 10 degree. What's my reason? Base angle of an isosceles triangle. That's my reason. Is that okay? So now here is 10, but the entire angle here is 20 as calculated. If here is 10, angle OCB, which is what we have gotten, is 10, but angle BCA, which is what? The alternate segment angle, is 20. So what does it mean? The remaining angle here, which is angle OCA, the remaining angle here, so angle OCA will be what? 20 degrees minus 10 degrees. So here we also 10 degrees. Do you see that? So what does it mean? It means that actually this line OC is actually bisecting the angle BAC, or dividing the angle BAC into 2 equal halves. Is that okay? So we have got here to be 10. Likewise, since this triangle also, if you look at this triangle AOC or COA, it is also an isosceles triangle because it has equal sides, OC and OA. So moreover, here is also will be 10 degrees. Do you see that? So here will be 10 degrees. So we write our angle OAC. OAC will equals to 10 degrees. So if you want to get your full marks in any questions like this, you must state your reason. What's my reason? Still base angle of an isosceles triangle. Good. But the goal is to get x. The goal is to get x. Now remember the theorem that I said earlier. If a line drawn from the center of a circle touches a what? Tangent, it does so at right angles. So now if one of the side is right angle, the other side will also be a right angle. So if here is 90, here also be 90, because angle in a straight line is what? 180. So we have gotten one of the angles to be 90. Here also will be 90. So in the entire angle here will be 90. But we have gotten a part of it to be 10. So what is our x? So our angle CAE, which is equals to x degree, is equals to what? 90 degree. The entire angle minus the fraction that we know, minus 10 degree. So your answer is 80 degree.